welcome to Let's Cook It. Today we want to show you how to make quick and easy appetizers. So we're making garlic shrimp melt. It's just garlic butter, shrimp and melted cheese on the top. It's yummy. So let's start here. Using Monterey Jack cheese and mozzarella cheese. So the Monterey Jack cheese for flavor, mozzarella cheese for the color. So nothing better than fresh grated cheese. Mixing it together. The cheese ready to go. Now for the plate here, I'm using the escargot casserole plate to do the shrimp. So what I have here is I'm using the raw shrimp. And first we're gonna garlic butter. And you can check one of my episodes how to make garlic butter. Putting garlic butter here, about like 1 teaspoon each hole. Here we go, each compartment. Maybe this is a better way to say it. And now for the shrimp, just one in each compartment. Here we go. Put things away. Now just give it a little squeeze. Fresh lemon, little black pepper, and the cheese we just grated. Just give it a little mix and top it with the cheese. And make sure you preheat your oven on a 400. And we're gonna grab a tray. Quick and easy, and goes in your oven. There we go. Now in the meantime, I'm waiting for the garlic shrimp to be ready. We're gonna make some garlic bread. So I'm using here my grilling pan on a medium high. And I'm using a baguette. Voila. So what we're gonna do here, we're gonna put some garlic butter. Spread the garlic butter on the bread and ready to go on the grilling pan. Here you go. Nice. That's what we want. Turn off. And the bread, the garlic bread, good to go. Now time to check on our garlic shrimp. Oh, yummy. Look at this. Voila! Yummy! It's a piece of garlic bread. Get the shrimp with the cheese on it. Oh, it's really hot. Hot. Yummy. Amazing. Amazing quick appetizer to have this flavor. It's the garlic butter, shrimp, Monterey Jack, mozzarella cheese, little pepper, squeezed lemon. Quick and easy to serve. Don't wait to make this at home. So it's all yours to enjoy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.